So we're going to make toum, which is Lebanese garlic sauce. First, we're going to take the garlic. I might have too much garlic. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What do you care? Okay. And then we're going to take about a teaspoon, but it has to be kosher salt. If you use table salt, you have to use half as much. This is a teaspoon, more or less. Then we're going to take this thing and we're going to just mash this up into a paste. So it's kind of some of it's not, so you knock it off and then keep going. Gonna add the lemon juice. Actually, I want it to settle on the bottom. Then I'm gonna add the olive oil. And then you just kind of wait till everything settles to the bottom. I think they said 13 seconds. This is gonna go here. And this one catches air, so I try to get the air out of it.
Oh.
And then we're going to do the same thing. Push it on the bottom.
What happened?
It broke also.
It can break?
Yeah, this one can break too. So wait, I'm just going to wait. Just wait. So actually, let's just wait because I think we're going to keep going. We'll try.
Okay.
Okay, so we have an egg white, a little bit of lemon juice. Gonna put this in here and then put a little bit of our broken mixture to start. Stop, that's good. And then we'll start again. What do I do?
Keep going. You got,
Turn it back on?
yeah. Very slow. Just throwing it in. Just do no more. Yeah, that's
Now we need to just get it mixed in. Give me this. No.
I loosened that. Don't turn it back on.
So you turn it back on.
That wasn't my intention, but. Oh yeah.
So I'm just going to put this here.
Oh, it smells so good.
Can I see?
Yep.
That's the Toum.
Dab me.
I think
sharp?
that's delicious. Not at all. You think that's not?
It's heaven.